Welcome to the Abrahamic Family House. It is truly a pleasure to see families, children gathering today on the world's Children's Day. Today we have Mr. Raj, the founder of Marmellata.
My father is Iraqi. My mother is English. I'm born in the north of England. I grew up in New York. I cook Italian food in Abu Dhabi. Right? We chose pizza because it's flatbread, and because flatbread's universal, every culture has it. Pizza allows us to play with ingredients. It's a blank canvas. We can layer on it everything we like and the best quality ingredients we can have.
I think pizza is fun.
Pizza's
Food
fun.
connects us.
It does.
And we decided to make this fun activity for the kids to plant pizza ingredients today with us.
Somebody asked me what makes me different as a parent, and I feel like what makes me different as a parent is I'm a very selfish father. Selfish in the sense that I try to be involved in their lives as much as possible. And one of the most interesting was to be the first boss, the first colleague, the first entrepreneur, and to build a business together.
Family is everything in life and should remain everything in life.
I worked with my father since I was 13 years old. So I think it's cool because I've got to see him as a father, as a mentor, as a boss. I've seen all the work he's put in, how much he's cared about me, my family, all the sacrifices he's made. It's very beautiful. And because we got to work together so long, we're very, very close. So I have a great dad, huh? I love my dad.
Today the experience was great. It's very essential for the kids to learn about being in relation with our planet, with the ground, and also being around the kids at the Abrahamic Family House today. A great initiative. I think they've had a very good time.
It was fun.
Very good, very interesting.
We planted toppings for pizza.
What kind of plants? Maybe you can tell her.
Parsley, onions, tomato, and that's garlic.
What is the most you like?
Planting. Playing with the soil.
They learn several values like teamwork and being close to the nature, which they can help to be a good person in the society, especially when we live in a multi-diverse society. I believe this kind of values they would add and they would learn from such kind of events, and it would be a good memory for them to cherish in the future.
Coexistence is everything that we do every day. Our team is about diverse backgrounds. Our audience is about diverse backgrounds. So we've been blessed to grow in this country in parallel.
They'd definitely be excited given that they have put in their efforts and they can see the fruits of their efforts.
It's my first time planting, but it's good instead of playing games. Next year, I wish we do more vegetables.
I want everyone to be compassionate about themselves, to be happy.